this TV off, right? Yeah. So this is day 1 of quarantine. So what do we do for this quarantine thing? We might as well start a vlog, right? So we're working on an edit, and then from that edit, that's a lot better. Yeah. So once we're done with this edit, we're gonna go out and we're gonna get a nice little workout in. Yeah. This is gonna be a fun time to be in the house. Work out, educate, do something different. Let's go. Alright, first we need weights. So we go into the basement. We haven't done this in a while for the simple fact that we usually work out at a gym. But since since all gyms are closed, we have to be a little bit more creative. So we're gonna get some nice weights. We got a lot of stuff down here, and eventually we're gonna get this basement in order. I really don't want to see it right now, but yeah, it's rough, but I found the weights. There's the weights. So we found them. So, excuse me. So let's get to work. All right, we all set up. We outside. We multitasking. So we're rendering. We're exporting the edit. Alright, so we're getting that done for. So what we're gonna do that. We're gonna so we got some light, and we're just gonna do a few things today, right? We gotta stay fit. We don't want to get unhealthy, so we're gonna, we're gonna make it do what it do. Stay tuned. Workout is done. One thing I learned is I can be in the gym and I can lift heavy ass weight, but when it comes to this type of stuff here, it took it out of me. I wasn't able to get everything that I wanted to get in, but we got moving. That was the main thing, was to not stop moving. Even though we don't have a gym because we're in this pandemic lockdown, main focus is to keep moving, keep growing, keep educating, keep learning, right? We got a lot of time. The world has slowed down so some of us can catch up. So do some reading. Don't just watch TV all day. Do something productive. Just TV is, unless you're gonna study and look at the television and see how you can recreate certain scenes, challenge your creativity. This is the time to do all those things, especially if you're not shooting and you're not doing nothing. Do something. Expand yourself. So main focus of this is get active, do something. Just don't do nothing because we are in a pandemic. Do something, read a book, exercise, and yeah, you'll be ready for the world in 2 weeks or however long this thing takes. But let's stay active, people.